Never make these 3 mistakes when you're cleaning your Blackstone. Number 1, never clean your Blackstone cold. The heat will pick up all loose particles or any food that's left behind. By having the heat on, it allows it to easily scrape away. Forget the corners and all the sides where the food could get trapped in. Number 2, never leave excess water on your Blackstone. Excess water can result in rust, so always make sure you wipe it all the way fully down. But if you do get rust on your Blackstone, don't worry, it's an easy fix. That's on another video. Also, by wiping it down, you can catch any food that you left behind when you're scraping it. When I first started using the Blackstone, I would forget the sides and the corners, so don't forget that. After you get it all nice and cleaned up and dry, the third and final mistake not to make is not reapplying the oil. Reapplying the oil helps with the non-stick. It prevents rust. Just make sure you get it all in the corners, all on the sides, everywhere around. And by doing these simple steps, you'll be ready for the next time. And if you want more protection and keeping your Blackstone nice and clean, I like to use this silicone mat. It's really easy to use. You just put it on when you're after all done cleaning up. It could store up to 400 degrees, so when it's still hot, you could just place it on there. It's really good for keeping the bugs out and to keeping the griddle part nice and moist. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks all about the Blackstone. And for a bonus tip, go ahead and head over to my video where I teach you how to remove rust from a Blackstone.